Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Money Tech Tales. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss: becoming a millionaire at the age of 18. This is a dream that many people share, but very few achieve. In this video, we'll explore the remarkable stories of individuals who managed to turn their dreams into reality and the secrets behind their success. The power of mindset. To become a millionaire at such a young age, you need to start with the right mindset. Success begins in your thoughts. Those who achieved this milestone believed in their capabilities, set high goals, and never wavered. We'll dive into how a positive, determined mindset can be your greatest asset in this journey. Smart financial habits. Now that you have your goals set, it's time to develop smart financial habits. Millionaires don't just earn money, they manage it wisely. Start by creating a budget and tracking your expenses. Have a portion of your income and invest it in assets that appreciate over time, like stocks or real estate. This is how you make your money work for you, even while you sleep. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow. Moving on to step 3. Constant learning. One of the key traits of millionaires is their commitment to continuous learning. Invest in yourself by acquiring new skills and knowledge. Read books on finance, entrepreneurship, and personal development. Attend seminars and workshops to network with successful individuals. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Step 4. Taking calculated risks. Becoming a millionaire at 18 often involves taking calculated risks. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and explore opportunities that others might overlook. Start small and gradually increase your risk tolerance as you gain experience. Remember, every risk you take is a step closer to your financial goals. Step 5. Persistence and resilience. Last but not least, persistence and resilience are your greatest allies on the path to becoming a millionaire. You will encounter obstacles, setbacks, and failures, but it's how you handle them that defines your success. Keep pushing forward, adapt to changes, and never give up on your dreams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And remember, your journey to financial success begins with a single step.